Welcome back, lockpickers, and today we are going to have a go at getting into Yale 220. That's 51, and it's like a weatherproofed, and it's nice and grimy in there. So yeah, a bit of a restriction on the keyway, but we'll get in there. The hardest bit is tensioning it because of the depth. So yeah, using quite a long reach in there, and my choice of picks. So just picking in the hand, just get it shut. Let's have a little play and see if we can convince it to open up for us. A little bit of movement. Yeah, we were open. It's just my tension wrench had slipped. So yeah, cool little Yale there. So yeah, nice one. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.